3, 2, 1, go.
I want to say thank you all for being here. So it's been fun to see board members, district council members, staff and community members alike coming together to just celebrate this opening. So before I begin, thank you. And thank you to 4J, who has continued to allow us to use this space to serve marginalized families. So this grand opening wouldn't be possible if we didn't have a space to use. I'm especially thrilled to be opening this space because this is where I started my career over 20 years ago at St. Vinny's. So I started watching children while their parents were in the second chance renters rehabilitation classes. So it's really fun to kind of come back to this facility and do a new thing to serve families. This facility is named in honor of Monsignor Edmund John Murnane, who helped establish St. Vincent de Paul as a social service agency. So this program will carry on the legacy of one of our earliest supporters. The Murnane Family Resource Center will be a service hub for families in our community who struggle to meet their basic needs, whether they are housed or actively experiencing homelessness. Far too many families and children in our community fall into homelessness or are precariously housed. The poverty rate in Lane County exceeds the statewide average, and even many families with incomes above the federal poverty line are still unable to afford basic necessities such as housing, food, childcare, and healthcare. We interact with those families every day. We served more than 270 families just last month. We've been building our programs for families for more than 3 decades and continue to prioritize expanding our service network for this population. In 2022, we relocated our Day Access Center, which had been housed out of here, and we co-located it with our night shelter, allowing us to expand a different use for this facility here. Meanwhile, First Place Kids, one of my favorite programs. I know we should have favorite programs, but I absolutely do. I love anything that we're doing for the children. Attained state licensure as a daycare facility last year, allowing parents to leave their children on site with us so they can go to job interviews and seek housing or take a nap. It's hard enough to be a parent with housing. Experiencing homelessness as a parent adds tremendous challenges. Fortuitously, since co-locating our family shelter programs, we can leverage this newly vacant facility to expand services for vulnerable families even more. The Murnane Family Resource Center will help unhoused and low-income families working to secure employment, housing, healthcare, and more along their path to long-term stability. This center was born from our knowledge that we can dramatically enhance our impact by partnering with the many incredible organizations in our community who are also serving these same families. So here we will host a variety of partner agencies such as the Oregon Department of Human Services, Willamette Valley Behavioral Health, Bags of Love, the Relief Nursery, McKinney-Vento Liaisons, and others to offer wraparound support and stabilizing services for families. Together, we can break down barriers to basic needs for families and children at the margins. I want to thank every organization who's here and will be here to help support these families. We did a similar thing with our individuals on 99 at the Schleiz Resource Center last April, and we've seen a tremendous difference in the wraparound support we've been able to provide those individuals. I'm incredibly proud to offer a space with partner providers to help folks stabilize as we are all stronger together. When we come alongside the people in our community who are struggling and help them navigate service networks and better leverage our community's available resources, we collectively improve our neighborhoods, workplace, and community. We cannot do this work without Lane County Health and Human Services, the Eugene Homeless Service team, our visionary board who's incredibly supportive, and of course, our amazing staff. So thank you to our staff and thank you to our board. And thank you all for being here.